Chapter 52 UNESCO World Heritage Sites in India. The UNESCO designates a certain sites as a World Heritage Site due to the natural or a cultural significance. So, in this chapter, we are going to see some different World Heritage Sites that are located in our country India, which were declared by UNESCO. Let us see one by one here. First one is about the Humayun's tomb. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site which is located in New Delhi. Second one is about the Western Ghats. It is a mountain range that covers Kerala, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu, Goa, Maharashtra and Gujarat. Here we can see some different species of animals such as a Bengal tiger, Indian leopard, black panther, wild dog, giant squirrel, etc. So this will ensure the international support for its conservation. Third one is about Mahabalipuram. So in Mahabalipuram, the mandapa of the five Pandavas, the shore temple and the five Rathas are a part of a group of monuments that are located here. The Mahabalipuram is located in Chengalpet district of Tamil Nadu. Fourth one is about Rajasthan. So in Rajasthan, there are different hill forts are available such as Kumbhalgarh near Udaipur, Savai Madhopur, Jaisalmer and Amber. So these were the famous hill forts that are located in the state Rajasthan. Fifth one is about the Elephanta caves. So here a collection of rock art linked to the cult of Lord Shiva is located here, and this Elephanta caves is located in the place Maharashtra. Sixth one is about Kyoloda National Park, which is located in Rajasthan. This is also called as a bird sanctuary and it is famous for its migratory birds visiting from as far as Turkey, China and Siberia. Seventh one is about Goa. In Goa, the churches and convents are on the World Heritage List because they were built by colonial rulers between the 16th and 18th centuries. They also used Goa as a preaching center during the 16th century and it was a capital of Portuguese on 16th century. Eighth one is about mountain railways of India. In India, there are three important mountain railways are there. They are nothing but Darjeeling Himalayan Railway, Nilgiri Mountain Railway and Kalka Shimla Railway. So these were the important mountain railways of our country India and they are on the World Heritage List for being outstanding examples of bold, ingenious engineering solutions to tackle the problem of establishing a link through rugged mountainous terrain. Ninth one is about the Jantar Mantar. So this is a collection of architectural astronomical instruments such as sunlight dial, moonlight dial and the direction of sun compass, etc. So these were the astronomical instruments that were built by Maharaja Jai Singh. Then 10th one is about Mumbai. In Mumbai, the Victorian Gothic and Art Deco buildings are a recent addition to the UNESCO World Heritage List. 11th one is about Ahmedabad. The historic city of Ahmedabad was a walled city founded by Sultan Ahmad Shah and it presented rich architectural heritage from the Sultanate period. And the last one is about Rani Ki Vav in Gujarat. So this is located in Gujarat on the banks of Saraswati river. It is a step well famous for its size and sculpture. So these are the different World Heritage Sites which are located in our country, India. Now we are moving on to the next chapter, chapter 53, Artificial Satellites in Space. Artificial satellites are responsible for many of the comforts of a modern life such as communications, GPS and so on. So in this chapter we are going to see some different artificial satellites. Let us see one by one here. First one is Eluid. So this artificial satellite was launched by Canada in the year 1965. This was designed to explore the ionosphere. Second one is Telstar 1. So this artificial satellite was developed by AT&T. AT is nothing but American multinational holding company. Okay, that is a telecommunication company, and it develops the world's first active communication satellite, that is nothing but a Telstar, and it was launched by NASA in 1962. This satellite allowed the first live broadcast of a television images between US and Europe. Third one is about Explorer 1. So this artificial satellite was launched by United States, which was its first artificial satellite in the year of 1958. Fourth one is Sputnik 1. So this first artificial satellite was launched for the first time in 1957 by the Soviet Union. It was called a Sputnik, and it was this launch that triggered the space race between the Soviet Union and America. Fifth one is Skylab. So this is the first space station launched by NASA. It was launched in 1973 and orbited Earth for 6 years, and it allows scientists to conduct experiments in fields such as biomedical life science. Sixth one is Ozumi. So it was Japan's first artificial satellite that was launched in 1970. It was named after the peninsula on which the launch center is located. It made Japan the fourth country in the world after the former Soviet Union, the United States and France to have launched a satellite onto space. Seventh one is Vanguard 1. This was the fourth artificial Earth orbital satellite to be successfully launched by the US. This satellite had its own solar electric power, and it remains the oldest satellite that is still in orbit. But this satellite has already lost its communication in the year 1964, but this is still in orbit. Eighth one is Bhaskara 1. This was the first experimental remote sensing satellite that was built in India. It was named after an ancient Indian mathematician, Bhaskara. And the last one is San Marco. This was the first satellite launched from Italy. It was the first of 5 as part of the Italian US San Marco program. Okay students, hope you have understood this session. Let us meet in our next session. Thank you students. Thank you.